Now, I know you're looking at the title and the thumbnail of this video. It may be a little bit triggering because I know there's going to be a lot of silver bugs. Just like myself, I am a silver bug. I own physical silver. A significant portion of my net worth is in this metal and inside of gold, okay? There's going to be a lot of people that are triggered by the fact that silver could go back to $57, right? I'm not saying that that's guaranteed. I'm saying that there are a few things that are lining up here at the top at $67 whenever I actually posted a video, I believe it was yesterday or maybe the day before that, telling people that $67 to $68 was going to be a potential massive resistance where we could see a nice fade on silver, and I caught a lot of flack for that. But in any case, I'm going to show you why we could be seeing a pullback to at least the $60 range, if not more to like the $57 range. I'm going to try to keep this 5 to 8 minutes tops. And if you want the high level analysis where I give you everything, I just filmed a 40-minute video on everything that you need to know about silver and gold for that matter inside of the Nordic Alpha private VIP trading room. It's $29 a month. If you want to get in and get my analysis and my actual trade setups every single day, that's where you do it. So let's just get straight into the charts now that you understand that. So what we're seeing right now is we have this upward sloping line, okay? And this goes from the lows down here of about 58 bucks, okay? And it goes up to these lows, to these lows, to these lows, right? Now, what I'm also seeing inside of this upward sloping trend line is you could break it here at about $64.85. Now, this is on the hourly chart, okay? What is this right here? You're probably wondering, Drew, why do you have these big, boxes on your screen? This is what is called a accumulation, right? This is an accumulation range, a manipulation outside of that accumulation range, and a redistribution of that accumulation range, right? Which is why I am saying that if we do indeed get this AMD model right here, AMD, you would likely see this happen, boom, and a move down to the bottom end of the range. Now, if you come down to the bottom end of the range at $60 and you lose that, okay, where you are likely coming is right here to about $59.50 down to the bottom end of that range, which is $57, okay? So what I'm putting inside of the thumbnail on this is not entirely outlandish, but I'm giving you the parameters as to how that could potentially happen, right? So now that we know that we have topped here, right? And I've warned people about this many, many times. A long time ago, I've been warning people about this for days, if not weeks, right? Now, what I also saw, and we're going to go to the 4-hour chart, because like I said, I'm going to try and blast through this and try to keep this as clean, concise, and easy as possible for people to, understand, okay? So we also have a Wyckoff Model 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 taps, right? And then we also have the thing that confirms the Wyckoff Model 1, which is the bearish divergence. High, lower high, lower high, all line up with the highs, and the highs here. This is a recipe for a nice near-term rejection at these highs and then a return down, okay? And if we break this trend line, what the Wyckoff suggests, if this model is actually completed, okay, is that we come down to the range lows of where we had our first tap, and if we lose that, we come down to the highs of the previous range, which is right here at $54, okay? And then obviously the lows of that range are going to be around 48 bucks. Do I think we're getting down here, to $48? Not right now. And even if we do, I don't care. I am a trader. I'm a verified pro trader with a 91.5% win rate that you can literally go and check live and documented anytime that you want on my website and out on Verified Investing's website as well, right? Sorry that my video is playing in the background, but you can also check this on verifiedinvesting.com/Drew Wolfer, right? Go to my profile pages because I own this company, right? I own Nordic Alpha. I can put whatever I want on my website, but can I really coerce a company that I don't own to put my win rate up? Probably not, right? So in any case, if you want to go and check and verify all of these things that I'm saying, feel free to do so, man. Feel free to do so. Now, I actually called out all of these levels in my previous videos, and here's my 40-minute video, a 40-minute masterclass that shows you inside of the Nordic Alpha private VIP trading room, everything that I'm telling you here, plus about 10 times more, okay? So this is a recipe. If you lose this level, okay, first and foremost, if you lose this level right here, right, which is 64.89, and then you come down and you lose this level right here, which is $64.67.5, you are now on a hourly closing basis, at least. You have to have an hourly candle close below here. You are now breaking market structure to the downside, and your next market structure shift would be down here at the 4-hour chart on $61.02, almost exactly, right? And if you break from there, guess what? Your next market structure shift is at the 12-hour chart, $57. Now, where are your supports? I think it's pretty clear to see where our supports is. One, we're sitting right on top of it at $64 and almost 65 bucks, right? Your second support is going to be right here, right? At about $62 to $61, right? And then your third support is going to be right here at these highs at about 60 bucks. Then your last support before 54 is going to be your $57 range. Then you see your range highs for $54. And, you know, we are traders, man. We take this level by level. So I'm not even covering anything that's down here because we have to get down there before I even want to start talking about it, right? So my point in saying all of this is that if you look at all of these factors combined, as well as the factors right here showing that you have support here at $63, that you have support here at $62 from naked VWAPs and naked point of controls, right? And that you have supports right down here from about $59 that you could get another fall because your next level of support is 57 bucks, okay? So there are three triggering things that could make this happen. One, your Wyckoff Model 1. Two, breaking down from this trend line right here, this upward sloping trend line that everybody can see. Number three, breaking the 1 hour market structure shift to the downside and then moving even further. Now, what makes us get down here? Well, we have to come down here and actually blast through this naked daily point of control, naked daily VWAP, and get down to the range lows of the range before we just made our manipulation move, right? Then we would see us moving down to the range lows of this AMD model. And if we lose those, guess what we're doing? We are now on our way to probably $57, and we could catch support at 59 to 60 bucks potentially, okay? So those are the factors that you have to take into account. And again, I'm telling you, I literally have been calling this out on my YouTube channel almost every day, catching so ridiculous amounts of flack in my comments section. This is where silver's run stops. You know, silver could crash out. The top on gold and silver is in potentially, right? Gold and silver could crash here. Here's the top on silver. Like, I've been doing this for days and days and days, and even on my lives, you know, I've been doing this. All markets are crashing. Here's what it means. Here's the top. Here's the key levels. Is the top in? I've been talking about this for weeks. So with that being said, these are the key factors that, in my opinion, could potentially make that silver move down happen. And what do we want to do as traders, right? We want to capitalize from those short-term moves. This does not mean that silver isn't going up to $70 and even beyond that to $100 after this, right? This just means that silver is inside of a healthy market that we sell the top of, short it down to where we buy the bottom back and then use the profits to get more physical silver into our bags and then profit from the trades on the way down to then buy the bottom to ride it back up. Okay, that is exactly what we do inside of Nordic Alpha every single day. And if that is something that is appealing to you and you want to watch my 91% win rate in 2025 alone work for you, get inside of Nordic Alpha. I would love to have you in there. It is the least expensive it will ever be. It is likely going to be going up in 2026 because we have dozens and dozens of people joining every single day and week, and with that, increased demand becomes increased pricing, okay? So it's $29 a day, less than $1 a day right now to get all my analysis on every single market, not just gold and silver, you know, S&P, Bitcoin, crypto, all that stuff, right? And then secondarily, we also have discounts, okay? If you book 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12-month memberships, you can get discounts up to like 15%. Pretty good discounts. With that being said, I will see you in the Nordic Alpha private VIP trading room. We will see what happens with silver, and everybody have a wonderful day. And if you like content like this, just throw me a like. That would be much appreciated. I try to get this out to people and do as much as I can, as humanly possible at least. And if you like content like this, obviously subscribe to the channel so you're never not in the know about these moves moving forward. And boom, baby, bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. Come for me, agree with me, disagree with me, whatever you want. We welcome it all in the comments section. I want to hear everyone's opinion. I will see you all soon. Have a wonderful day.